Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to organize study schedules with Dola AI in 2026. Whether you're preparing for exams, learning a new subject, or managing regular classes, having a clear study schedule can help you stay consistent and avoid last-minute work. Dola AI can help you organize study sessions, reminders, and deadlines through your connected calendar. First, open Dola AI and make sure your supported calendar is connected. Start by listing the subjects, assignments, exams, and other important study activities you need to manage. Next, create dedicated study sessions. For example, you can tell Dola, schedule a 2-hour math study session tomorrow from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. This creates a specific time block for focused learning. You can repeat this process for different subjects. For example, you might schedule English on Monday, mathematics on Tuesday, science on Wednesday, and revision sessions later in the week. It's also useful to create reminders for assignments and exam deadlines. For example, you can say, "Remind me to submit my science assignment Friday at 5 p.m." This helps make sure important deadlines don't get forgotten. When creating a study schedule, avoid studying one subject continuously for too long. Break longer sessions into manageable periods and include short breaks when appropriate. You can also create recurring study sessions for subjects that require regular practice. For example, you could schedule a mathematics practice session every Tuesday and Thursday evening. Another useful strategy is to schedule difficult subjects when you have the most energy and leave lighter review tasks for times when your concentration is lower. If you have classes or other fixed commitments, add those to your calendar first. Then organize your study sessions around them so you don't create conflicts.